One of the good things about the auto restart feature is that it actually adds to your phone's security, because after the reboot, it will ask for the security lock and only then will all the core services start functioning normally. So in this video, we will show you how to make your Samsung Galaxy A53 restart by itself at set times. But before anything else, please like and share our videos so we can help other users as well. Now going back to our topic, here's what you should do. Pull up the app drawer and then tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and then tap General Management. Tap Reset to view all the other system options. The last option is Auto Restart at set times, so tap on it. For you to be able to make some changes, tap the switch at the top right corner to enable it. Tap Time at the bottom and then set a specific time of day that you want your phone to restart automatically. Once you're done setting the time, select the days you want your device to reboot. You also have the tap to unselect if you've made a mistake. After setting the time and the day, you can close the settings menu and rest assured that your Galaxy A53 will reboot by itself at set times. And that's pretty much it. You may subscribe to our channel or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.